Hi, I feel kind of silly making this video, but I feel really excited about the 30-day challenge that we're having. Um, I just finished 3 classes, not doing 3 classes, but taking one and teaching 2, and I'm on my 6th day of the challenge. I haven't been, 100% in the game with yoga the last couple of months ever since competition. I kind of started eating my ice cream, eating pizza, and not practicing as much. And I'm really feeling the reignite your fire, the whole May posture clinic, all about yoga. And I'm really excited at a couple people that I know and a couple people that I just met recently in yoga that have been taking my class sign up for the challenge. And I feel very adamant about it. I mean, I'm sure if you've taken my class recently, then you already know that. But I want to just invite you to try it and be a part of it. We go to yoga because there's something that we want sometimes, and sometimes what we want is what we need, and sometimes we find out what we really need. And I just invite you to join me and everyone else in the challenge. If you're in need of support, like, I'm happy to talk to you. We can keep in touch. Just talk to me at the studio, and yeah, keep coming back. Like, this yoga works. It has healed me, and I'm happy to talk about it with you too. So yeah, do the 30-day challenge and feel floaty like I do now.